Nice and clean car, this one. Press the button and there we have it, all done. So if you need a key made to your CX5, this is a KE version. We can give you one of these flip key remotes. This is actually the B&W style, which is actually really nice, and it feels good in your hand, and the key ring is really solid. So we'll just turn the car off and just try the central locking. Lock, unlock, and just we can sit that there and just hit the button. So the green light should come on, and as long as it comes on, even if you have a red one, the car will still start, but what you'll have to do is actually present it to the actual button like that and then start it. So it goes off. But the way it should work is you just put your foot on the brake and then just hit the button and the car starts, and that's it. So if you need keys made to your CX5, you're in Brisbane or Gold Coast, 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching.